Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be taking a quick tour of Google Slides and learn how to create stunning presentations. Whether you're new to Google Slides or looking for a refresher, at the end of this video, this guide will help you to get up and running quickly. So let's dive in. Now this is the homepage. On the homepage, you have the option to click the plus icon here, which is a blank button, to create a new presentation. Or you can go ahead and choose from a variety of templates if you want to start something that is already made in order for you to customize. So we're going to go ahead and click on the portfolio. And now it takes us to the main layout. Now on the left, you will see a column showing all your slides. Now the big area here in the center is your current slide. This is where you will do most of your work. Now at the top, you have the toolbar, which is where you find all your tools needed, such as adding text, images, shapes, and more. Now finally, in the menu bar, at the very top, you have options such as File, Edit, View for managing your presentation. Now when it comes to adding and editing text, it's quite simple. For example, if you want to change your name, all you need to do is to go over here and change your name. So we're going to click and highlight it just like any text editing step. And we're going to simply change it to Chris. And when we click away, it has already saved. So we did this by clicking on the text box and you can see the large area. You could also move it as you want, but we're going to return it back as it was. Now you can also change the font size or color by simply highlighting it and going over to the toolbar where you have the option to change the text color, you have the option to change the size or to make it bold. So if we make it bold, you can see the difference. If we want to change the size, we can simply click on the plus icon to increase it or return it back to the size that we had at the beginning. You could also change the color. So for example, we want to change it from white to say yellow. Now we have it in yellow. It's as easy as that. Now to make your presentation more engaging, you can go ahead and add images. Go to the insert menu and click on image. Now here we have insert and we could go ahead and click on image. Here you have the option to help create a new image, upload from your computer, search the web, use GIFs. Basically you have all these options to add your image from. Of course, you have the other option here in the toolbar to simply click on insert image and the same options will be made available to you. Now, another thing we could do to switch things up a bit is to make our slides look more organized. We could choose different layout. For example, we could go over to the left sidebar where we have our slides and we could right click on it, select apply layout, and we have some different options here. So we have this design here, and when we go over to apply layout, we can change it to this. And there you have it, it's changed the layout. You also have the option to change the background color. Now, when you go over to background, as long as you have this currently selected, you're going to go over to change background and we could change the background to say blue. And when we click on done, we have it blue right now. So while the first slide was in red or pink, the fourth slide is now in blue. Of course, you can add some more customization options by going to background again. Now you had the color changed, but you can also change the image. So from a color, you can choose an image that you wish. So you have the option to upload, choose from your webcam, your photos, Google Drive, or Google Images. Here, of course, when we click on Google Images, we get to search for images. So say we want to select this one. We've made that selection and we're going to click on insert. And after that, we're going to click on done. And there you have it. That background is now different from what we had before. Now, another thing we could do is to switch up the transition for each slide. We can go over to change transition. And for this transition, there is currently none. And we're going to click on it. And we have the option to slide from the right. And then when we click on play, you can see that's what's going to happen if we're doing that from the previous slide. So we can click on stop. And we have this setting currently here. As you can see, this transition has been applied to just this slide. And you have that indicator right here under slide number 4. You can see it there. Now, if you like that slide, you can decide to apply it to all slides. But of course, you might want to have different types of slides per slide. You also have the option to set the duration of the slide to be slow, medium, or fast. So we can put it on medium. That's 2.5 seconds. And when we play it again, you can see it's a bit slower, but that's okay. You can make it to your preference. Now, of course, there are many other things you can do on your Google Slides to make it even better. For example, if you want to have your object animated, you can go ahead and simply click on any part of this picture, and then you can click on Add Animation. And the first option here is the animation type. You can click on it, it's a drop-down menu. You could say it should fly from the bottom. We could leave it that way, and you could also decide the condition. Currently, it's on click. You could leave it at that, and then click on play. Great. So because we selected on click, we clicked on it, and now the portfolio examples, which is the text that was there, now has appeared. If you want to change it, you can simply click on the drop-down menu, change from on click, and select to after previous. So when we select after previous, we can click on play. And now it comes up automatically. Maybe you would want to leave it at that. So we can click on stop. And now we've made some customization options for our Google Slides. You can go ahead and make some other changes, some effects to make it more to your taste. After all of this is done and your presentation is ready, you can go to the top right area of your screen and click on Present or Slideshow. When you click on Slideshow, this will put your slides to a full screen mode where you can navigate them by clicking the arrow keys forward or backward. So when we click on backward, it takes us to the previous page, forward on our keyboard, and it takes us to the current page. You could keep doing that as you wish, and then we can press escape again to get back to our edit mode. And that's it. These are some of the key points of using Google Slides, from adding text and images to animations and transitions to helping you present like a pro.